Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is VassaOlga, and for those who are new on my channel, I'm mostly focusing on creating some makeup looks, but today I've decided that I straightened my hair and it doesn't look good. It doesn't hold the shape, so I've decided that finally it's time to cut my hair. I'm not a professional, I want to notice this, so this is the second time I'm actually cutting my hair. I'm gonna do a voiceover, so I want to focus mainly on my hair because still it depends on me what I'm gonna wear for another month or so. And for today's video, we're gonna be needing some products. A brush, a comb, really sharp scissors. Seriously guys, this is the most important thing in this whole tutorial. And lots of hairbands, lots of hairbands. My voiceover starts right now probably. First of all, I'm gonna brush hair. Then I'll section them into 3 parts. Let's start with the lower section. Make sure you put your hair in the middle every single time. The ponytail I'm about to create is very tight, so use a comb or your own hands. I use my finger as measurement, then I just cut and repeat the same process with every section. When you're done, start once again with the sectioning. I'm gonna grab my hair and pull them away as tight as possible, and with my scissors, I'm gonna cut at the 90-degree angle. Blend with the same scissors, like point cutting. If you feel like it's a bit uneven, then work this through once again. Go into my third section. I want to make sure it's super even, so I cut right at the end of my chin. Don't forget to blend the ends with point cutting. I did another ponytail with just the tip of my hair, and the rest is gonna help to guide my main layer. I want to mention that I don't want to create a thin layer around my face, so I focus on some volume. I take some small sections, bring them forward, then cut and blend. My layer is super uneven, so I went for a comb, which really helped to straighten my sections and made my ends look even. It's important that I use the belly of the scissors to work with the desirable shape.
I decided that I want to change my hair part. On my right side, I repeated the same steps.
Okay guys, this is a complete and final result. There was a time I thought that I might stop and just like go to a hairdresser, but you know, I'm kind of glad that I didn't. So this hairstyle is for those who want to create some volume. I would say that if you want to create just a layer, like a simple layer, then you should probably grab some hair behind your ear, and that's the only part where you can do this. And you just kind of like start blah, 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 trimming, and you're gonna have this kind of like really nice shape only close to your face, and nothing on the back is gonna be trimmed. But I've decided that I want to kind of play with this thing, and I want to create something really interesting because once a week I kind of do my curls, so that is the reason why I created this kind of volume. So we have like really nice shape right here. So if you like this video, then please let me know in the comments, subscribe to this channel, and give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, then let me know what you didn't like, but I kind of get it. Well, probably I cut my hair a little bit too short, like here, but it's optional. I guess that's pretty much it. It's like the way it looks right now. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. See you a little bit later. Bye bye.